Okay, hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm so excited to share my passion for tarot with you guys. As a certified tarot reader, my goal is to create a space where we can explore the spiritual guidance and the personal guidance together. So, even though I'm not very new, but yeah, new to YouTube, like I haven't posted like I did, but that was some random stuff. So, I have been helping people to find the clarity and direction for like a time being. Like, I also work in Astro Yogi as a tarot reader, and that is a very space safe to talk. Also, I have started this YouTube channel. There I would be posting a lot of videos, and it would be great if you like have an interest or you want to channelize your energy or the divine power. Deep dives into the meaning behind the cards that I would be putting videos about it. Also, I offer personalized and paid readings, and I would be really happy if you guys want to know about it or have any sort of interest. And it's basically for those who are really interested and who really wants me to do their reading, or those who have interest in the universe. I mean, we all believe in universe, right? So it's a great thing if you guys will initiate. And one important thing that I wanted to add, so basically it's like, see, आप लोग में से जिनको भी इन चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है या फिर आपको ये सब चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती है, आई वुड से दैट you can just not come to my channel. And because this is a very divine space and I have a keen interest to it, and I really want to help people. And the people who are not interested, they can just skip it, okay, even skip my intro part or do not subscribe my channel. But who are really interested in it, and they have like if you have that initial feeling about the universe and the things that you really want to know through the tarot reading, they can definitely go for it. So yeah, that would be really helpful, because I know I don't want any negative aura to be surrounded by it. So that's it.